Hey guys, welcome back to 9th Street Chic by yours truly, Dominique Cherise. Happy Friday. I'm so happy it's Friday. We have Cinco de Mayo coming up on Sunday, and we have a bunch of fun festivals and events that we have to attend, right ladies? Or gentlemen, whoever's watching this video. But I just wanted to show you guys how I style my hair for festivals, more springtime event looks, or so I'm gonna give you guys some fun festival hairstyles. Also, thank you guys who have recently subscribed and who have already been subscribed and watching my channels each week. Thank you so much. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like and comment, and watch to the end. Please watch it to the end, guys, so you can see all the looks. Anyways, watch my last two videos if you want to see how I tame my frizz and how I lay my edges. I'm not going to go through that again. I've shown it in two different videos and I don't want to be repetitive, so I want you guys to go check out those videos if you haven't, and stay tuned for these fun festival hairstyles. natural hair, the natural lamp. Simple hairstyles that you can get away with at a concert, at a festival, if you're going out really quickly for the evening, just somewhere fun, of course. Like, I just want to say thank you guys so much again for watching my video. Stay tuned for my apple cider vinegar cleanse. I'm way overdue for that. And make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram too. I knew it was something else. But anyways, thanks guys for watching. Happy Friday. Enjoy your weekend. And I'll see you next week. Bye.